Welcome to Adigy. In this video, we're going to show you how to enable some of our integrations, including Splashtop. Please follow along. The first thing is that we want to be able to log into our Adigy tenant and click on Account, click on Integrations. From here, in order to see some of these integrations, make sure that you have an owner role or a custom role that has integration permissions enabled. If you're a user that remotes without some of these permissions, you might not be able to enable Splashtop. So please contact your admin if this is the case. Once you make sure you have the correct access to enable Splashtop, please head over to the third-party add-on section here and click Splashtop. We're going to go ahead and flip the switch to click Enabled, and now we need to select the policies in which I have macOS devices enrolled into. So in this case, I have macOS devices enrolled into my Adigy policy, so I'm going to check this one. Just keep in mind that this will take up to 30 minutes to make sure that all devices receive the Splashtop integration. So next step is just to click Save. Awesome. Since I have selected my Adigy policy in which Splashtop is going to be deployed for my devices, I need to head over to this policy by clicking on the Policies page here and select Set Policy. This will allow me to be able to configure some of the settings that Splashtop allows me to do to be able to enhance the user experience once they log in. So the next step is to click on Settings, Remote Control, and then have the ability to essentially prompt end users when starting a new session. This is an optional toggle for Splashtop that you have the ability to do if you want to make sure that end users get a prompt to be able to then accept your remote control features from Splashtop. For this scenario, I'm just going to keep that off. Thank you very much. Now, since I verified my settings inside Splashtop, I'm able to go to the devices page and be able to remote to a Mac. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Simply click on the devices page here, click on all devices. Now I'm going to select this Mac Mini right here by clicking on this drop-down menu. And now I have my remote control tools, including Splashtop enabled. So I'm going to click on Splashtop. Now I do have a couple things that I want to make sure that we mention here. Is that you do have the option to click on Show Advanced Settings to be able to make sure that the name appears as some of the essentially options available for Splashtop admins. In this case, it could be IT support banner, an Adigy banner, or the actual user in Adigy that is remoting into the macOS system. In addition to that, you can change some of your native resolution settings as well. Also, you have to make sure that Splashtop Viewer is installed on your Windows device or Mac locally. Simply click on this link and it will automatically download the correct installer for your host machine. Since I already have it installed on mine, I'm just going to click Start Connection. I'm going to click Open Splashtop RMM. And now I can easily see how I'm able to remote to this macOS device. I can just simply type in the local password for this device, and boom, I'm already inside my Mac there for management. I'm able to do any type of remote control tools needed. Thank you very much for joining this video. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great rest of your day.